Hello everyone, Gordon here again with Finnmark Designs, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to keep those unwanted guests out of your sauna. With every controller that Finnmark sells, there's going to be a lock button on it, and it's really simple to use. Very quick video here just to show you guys how to do it. So you want to make sure that your sauna is off. It can be on or off, it doesn't make any difference. Well, if it's on, it's going to stay in the lock position of on. If it's not on, it's going to stay in the lock position of off. So keep that in mind. So all you simply need to do is make sure everything is running perfectly. You know, it's powered on, your controller works, and then all you want to do is you want to hold down the lock button for 2 to 3 seconds usually, and it'll light up. That's how easy it is. So now it's locked. Nobody can use this sauna. You can't push any buttons on it. You can't turn it on. No lighting, nothing. It's completely locked. So to undo that, you simply press and hold the lock button again, 2 to 3, 4 seconds, and now it's unlocked. So now again, if we had the power on, so we have the power on and we press the lock button here, it's going to lock it so nobody can actually manipulate any of the settings that you've already done. So that's how easy it is. If you guys have any questions, like always, give us a call, shoot us an email. We're always here to help, and as always, have a great and blessed day.